What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be discussing about some common misconceptions of bookkeeping. I hope to debunk some of the myths that are rolling out there to help you better understand how bookkeeping comes together and help small business owners like yourself be better business owners. For those who don't know me, I am Nelson from Mint Ledgers, and I am a 14-year corporate accountant, now helping small business owners like yourself make money and save money on taxes, utilizing those same corporate techniques that I learned in corporate America, now passing them over to you, the small business owner. Hopefully you find this content helpful. Please give me a like and subscribe, as it would continue to help us reach out to more business owners like yourself, and we'll continue to roll more content out there to help you in your future business endeavors. Let's get started. Now, for those who aren't familiar, bookkeeping is not the same as accounting, and sometimes it's used interchangeably, but it's not the same, although they are relatively similar. Now, bookkeeping is the art or the technique of transactions, categorizing income and expenses, categorizing everything, and making sure all your business ins and outs, as we call them, are categorized, identified, and essentially organized for you, the business owner. We utilize those transactions to build your financial statements. That's what bookkeeping is. At the very end of bookkeeping, we reconcile your accounts, ensuring that what came in through your business matches your bank statements. That's bookkeeping in a nutshell. The accounting part of it is utilizing that data, those financials, to interpret what the data is telling us. Okay, so you can think of bookkeepers as kind of the heavy lifters, while the accountants are those who are just doing the analytical data manipulation and interpreting that to you, the business owner. Interpreting the data can help business owners make strategic decisions on their business. Things like, can I afford to make that investment right now? Can I afford to hire additional help now? Should I be spending the additional money on ad space to get my business more new clients? These are the strategic analytical interpretations that accountants like ourselves would assist you, the business owner, with once you have your bookkeeping in place. Another common misconception is that bookkeeping is only for big businesses or big corporations, and that is not true. It is more important now for a small business owner who's just getting started to have bookkeeping in place. You see, new businesses are strapped for cash flow. And in order to build that cash flow, you have to understand where your money is going and where it should be going. And if you're just running your business off of a gut feeling, my friends, you are in for a long, troubled journey. Bookkeeping is essential for all business sizes, from corporation all the way down to sole proprietors. And if you've never been in business before, this is your first go around, you should team up with a strategic partner, a bookkeeper, or an accountant who can handle these things for you, as they are seasoned professionals who know exactly what to do in the financial number space. So team up with an accountant to help you get your bookkeeping started today. Another misconception that I've seen is that business owners who do their own bookkeeping tend to do it just at the very end of the year, just one time, and they get it over with. You see, they sit down for a weekend or several days and handle all of the bookkeeping in one sitting. Now, I have a huge problem with this, because if you do not have any accounting background, maybe you just took one accounting class in college, but you're not really a seasoned accountant, you're not sure what accounting principles mean, what to look for, and yet you're cramming in all of this bookkeeping in one sitting, you're going to come across a lot of mistakes. You see, it's hard for us to remember for transactions that happened just a month ago. How would you expect to understand a check you wrote out to a vendor, or a check that was received by your business 6-7 months ago, and what it was for? And so if you just sit down once a year and handle all your bookkeeping, chances are you're making a lot of mistakes. And so bookkeeping should be done at the bare minimum monthly, but it's best practice to have your bookkeeping done at least a couple times a week. For all of our clients, we're on top of their books every single day, because it's not just about categorizing the expenses and their income, it's about identifying fraudulent transactions. And what good is it if we identify a fraudulent transaction that occurred 10 months ago? That money's already long gone, and it's going to be a hassle for you to try and get that money back into your account. So try and get your bookkeeping done more consistently. Oh, huge misconception is that the bookkeeping software handles all of the bookkeeping, or AI handles all of my bookkeeping. And while there is some truth to AI helping business owners with bookkeeping, it's not enough to replace your bookkeeper or your accountant. QuickBooks is really intuitive and really great for helping us identify income and expenses. But if you're not fine combing through each transaction, your expenses may be categorized incorrectly, the vendor may be stated incorrectly, and these are two huge different problems that you may have that can have severe tax complications for you down the road. There's a lot of intuitive information and tools that QuickBooks and other bookkeeping softwares have available to you. But if you're not sure of what they actually mean, how they fall under the accounting principles, it's best that you confide with an accountant to help you in this bookkeeping space. So bookkeeping software does not replace all of your bookkeeping needs or that of an actual seasoned bookkeeper. So there you have it, folks. Those are the misconceptions that I run across in the bookkeeping world, and they're not to be taken lightly. Take it from me, someone who helps business owners who consistently try their bookkeeping on their own, or just have this misconception about accountants just overcharging for their services. There's a reason why we go to school and learn the art of the accounting principles and understand how your transactions and your business flow has an impact on your taxable liability down the road. So if you have any questions, we are here for you. Just send us a question or a comment down below. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.